A storm has hit the city and sweeping away all vehicles.
The storm is coming. This garage needs to be upgraded.
How to build a car garage. Step 1. Build the elevator. The gear. Add the gear to the frame. And more. Add the conveyor belt. The base. Connect them. Add electric motor and battery box. Testing the elevator. The elevator can move up and down easily. Success. Step 2. Build the garage. Set up. The 3-level garage is ready to serve.
Whoa! I need to park here.
Please go to the 3rd floor.
There's a space left.
3rd floor.
Luckily, my car isn't be submerged.
I want to go to the 2nd floor.
Yes, please come in. 2nd floor.
This is so amazing.
The wind's so strong.
So scary. Look, another storm is coming. Water is rising so fast. The storm is over.
All cars are safe.
Okay.
I've got 2 things at home, ice cubes and cat litter. So I'm planning to use them to test out a racing challenge with my friends. First, we'll have to race across a tray full of cat litter. To make it more challenging, I'm gonna clump it into big chunks. Now it's time for both cars to start the race. Game on!
Ready? 1. Making clamping mechanism car. Step 1. Build the car body. I'll assemble one side of the car frame first. Add the chain drive. Now, connect both sides of the car frame together. Add the battery box. Step 2. Build the clamping mechanism. The clamp. Connect the clamping mechanism to the body. Clamping mechanism car is ready.
This is so easy for me. No way. She just overtook.
I'm gonna win. This slope is way too bumpy. Oh no, he's caught up to me.
Oh, yes! I'm stuck.
Awesome, my car reached the finish line first.
I can't believe that I've just lost the race.
I will challenge myself with more difficult terrain. Next, my car will conquer this pool full of ice cubes. I will pass this challenge easily. Oh no, the wheels can't move over the ice. Yikes, all the water spilled. I barely even started.
2. Making magnet mechanism car. Step 1. Build the magnet mechanism. I'll use the repulsion force of 2 magnets to keep the water tray balanced as it moves. Step 2. Build the car body. First, I'll build the chassis frame. Then, I'll build the wheel frame. Add the wheels. Now, connect the wheel frames to the chassis frame. Add the motors. Connect to the battery. Connect the magnet mechanism to the car body. Add the tray. Magnet mechanism car is ready. In the previous episode, player finished the race with the first 3 obstacles. At this level 2, player will face to harder challenges. It's sticky trap and glass wall crash. Let's start with the sticky trap. This pool will be filled with glue and grains. Let's add some Lego pillars. Our player is here.
I just need to speed straight ahead. No way, I'm stuck. How do I get through this glue pool? My car needs bigger wheels.
Build the front chassis. Attach the rear chassis. Attach the battery box. Attach the cabin.
Let's get past the glue pool. Here I come. I made it through. Can you give me a harder challenge?
The next obstacle is glass wall crash. It will test the toughness of your car. This glass wall was made of sugar and it's pretty hard.
I just need one try. I lost another knife again. These knives seem useful. It better work this time. Let's go. Hooray, I've made it.
Further obstacles are awaiting for player ahead.
I'm so tired.
I scrubbed so hard, but it won't come off.
I wish we had some kind of cleaning machine.
Great idea. Let's build a motorized brush for this. How to build the electric cleaning brush? First, I need to sketch out the design for this electric broom.
Let's get started, buddy.
I'll borrow my mom's bathroom brush to make the core of my machine.
Where's my brush? Handy?
These thousands of tiny bristles are sure to sweep away any dirt. Right, now I'll build the frame to connect both sides of the machine first. Then, attach it to the brush. Add a modified motor. Next, I'll need a buggy motor to make the machine run smoothly. Add the wheel. Do the same for the other side. The rear still needs a propeller, so I'll make that now. I'll use this piece of acrylic to make the propeller. One blade done. My propeller has 3 blades in total. Attach it to the small motor. This propeller will help the machine move faster. Add the battery box. Wow, that propeller spins so nicely. Now I just need to tie this motor tightly so it won't fall off. Testing. My cleaning brush is working perfectly. Let's go, buddy. Our kitchen floor is covered in soda puddles. We should clean it all up.
This first mess is so easy to clean. The second one goes quick too. Our scrubber runs so smooth and clean, super fast.
Hey, let's move it to clean another spot, buddy.
Oh man, there are lots of cobwebs in here. All right, spiders, time to disappear. Look, the brush grabbed all the cobwebs.
The kitchen counter is dirty too, so we need to clean it as well.
Even this ketchup spill can't slow our scrubber down.
Keep digging. We're almost there.
This rock is tough.
Don't stop now. We can do it.
Easy for you to say. You got the new hammer.
Here it comes, nice and slow. All right, send it back.
How to build the minecart track. Step 1. Build the redstone system. Step 2. Build the rails. Step 3. Install the minecart. Testing.
This rock won't beat me. Almost there, just a few more hits. Wow, what's this place? I gotta check this out.
Alex, what happened? I'm coming. Where are you? Can you hear me? What happened here? I need an armor and a sword. All right, here goes nothing. Where am I?
This isn't the mine anymore. Get away from me.
I need to get out of here.
How to build the mini action figure. Install the control system. Install the mini. Install the sword. Testing.
Alex, thank goodness.
Steve, watch out! Behind you! You're okay.
Run. Come on, dig faster.
I'm trying. The blocks are tougher here.
We've got this. Just a little more.